With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is, a solid is formed by two elements P and Q. The element Q forms cubic close packing and atoms of P occupy 1/3 of the tetrahedral voids. The formula of the compound is what? Over here we are given that we have a solid that is formed by two elements P and Q. They are saying the element Q forms cubic close packing. Cubic close packing is nothing but FCC, that is our face centered cubic arrangement, right? Now in this case we know that atoms are present at face centers plus at corners, and we know we have total of 6 face centers and each has a contribution of 1/2 because each face center is shared by between two unit cells, right? Then we have corners, we have total of 8 corners and each has a contribution of 1/8 because one corner is shared by 8 unit cells, right? So this goes by 3, so we have 3 plus 1, total of 4 atoms of Q, right? Then they are saying that the atoms of P occupy 1/3 of the tetrahedral voids. Now tetrahedral voids, they are always 2n in number, right? 2n, and n is the number of atoms basically. If for example we are given FCC lattice and we have total of 4 atoms, right? So total number of tetrahedral voids would be 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. Now they are saying that P is occupying 1/3 of the tetrahedral void, that is 8, right? So that means it is 8 by 3 in number. So P are what? These are basically 8 by 3 and Q is 4, right? So we can say that we have P 8 by 3, Q 4, right? So now we can simplify it by multiplying it with 3. If we multiply it with 3, we get P 8, then Q 12. Now they can again be simplified, right? They can go by 4, this can go by 2 and this can go by 3. So our formula comes out to be P2Q3. This is the simplified formula that we are getting, P2Q3. So if we look at our option, first option is P7Q3, which is not correct. Then we are given P3Q, not correct. P2Q3 is correct. P3Q2 is not correct. So our answer to this question would be third.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.